Union scored first, led after every period, and thoroughly dominated in what was just another routine win for the #1 team in the country. And their playoff run so far has been fueled by their offense. Union ranked second in the country in goals per game. Today they scored 5 for the third straight game.
I didn't even know we scored 15 goals in our last 3 games, but I think we have 4 lines going. And this year, which is a lot different than the past years, we've been scoring a lot even strength compared to specialty teams. So I think it's just all 4 lines rolling hard and getting even strength goals.
Opportunistic. Some of our older guys are making some big time plays, and at this time of the year, it's very nice, and that's why you're seeing so many goals up. But we just got to keep with it, keep getting that puck to the net. I know it's a cliche, but it's so true because you never know what can happen.
They're all team goals. Union College scored 5 goals today. That's how we see it. Carsey might have tipped that one, maybe not, who knows, but no one cares. At the end of the day, no one's going to remember who scored which goal in which game. It's all about getting the W's.
This afternoon's win was Union's 9th in a row. With a 10th straight victory tomorrow, the Skating Dutchmen will advance to the Frozen Four April 10th in Philadelphia. In Bridgeport, Kelly O'Donnell, CBS 6 Sports.